Hey guys, hope you are having a fantastic day today and welcome to this special bonus video. Today I'm partnering with Causebox, and as you guys probably already know, I have a huge passion for supporting ethical and sustainable businesses that are really trying to make a difference in the world. And on top of that, I love being able to support small businesses. I think all of those things are really important. And Causebox is a brand that not only works with ethical and sustainable businesses, but also works with local artisans and small businesses. I absolutely love that, and so when they reached out and asked me about working together on a video, I was super excited. So if you don't know what Causebox is a quarterly subscription service that once a season will send you 6 to 8 items that are ethically and sustainably made, hand curated, and really have a lot of intention and thought behind their selection. And these products are going to come from emerging designers and artisans, as well as socially conscious companies, and it's going to include things like beauty products that are vegan and eco-friendly, wellness products that are ethically and sustainably made. It might also include artwork that supports local and global artists, or jewelry that creates fair trade jobs around the world, or even clothing and accessories that empower artisans and help to empower female entrepreneurs around the world. So I absolutely love all that, but the greatest part is that you actually get over $275 worth of products that give back for less than $50 for your box. So maybe at this point you're asking, well, that's great, but Ashlynne, how does this fit in with your minimal and intentional living values? And for me, it all goes back to the cause behind this box, as well as the fact that the items that they pick for these boxes are really intentionally curated, and they're things that I actually use and love. So for example, for this summer welcome box, I was able to see what I was going to be receiving in the box ahead of time, as well as actually customize some of the items so that I knew I was going to be receiving something that I would use and get tremendous value from. And then on top of that, I'm always personally looking for amazing ethical and sustainable brands to support, and especially when they're small businesses. And I think that this Causebox really allows you to be able to be introduced to some of these and get a taste for what they have to offer, so that if you fall in love with an item or with a brand, you can continue to support them in the future for any needs that you have. And so I think that's really awesome too. Anyways, I want to get into showing you guys exactly what I received in my summer welcome box. But before we do, I did just want to let you guys know that if you want to try out Causebox for the first time, you can actually get 20% off of your first box by using the code Ashlynne20 at checkout. I'll have that put up on the screen and then linked below as well. But yeah, definitely let's get into this and I'll show you exactly what I received. And if you're interested in trying out some amazing ethical and sustainable brands yourself, definitely check Causebox out. Okay, so here is the actual box, and I think that they kind of knew what they were doing with my brand in this box because I'm wearing like the same color as the box. But I believe every single box cover is designed by a global artist, which I absolutely love. I think it's such a fun print on this, very, very summery. And then let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Oh, once again, I love the artwork on the inside of this. That's so fun. So the very first thing you open to is this little booklet that explains what is in your box. So it explains a little bit about Causebox, as well as sharing the story behind each of the products in your box. So each of the items here does support either a local or global artisan, a B corporation, things like that. And so each one actually goes into exactly how that item does good in the world, which I absolutely love. I'm probably going to read into this more later, but for now, let's continue opening the box. The packaging in this is just so beautiful. Oh, first thing, this is one of the things I'm most excited about. Okay, so the first thing we open up to is this beautiful clutch. And this is in the beige color, which I love because I'm a big neutrals girl, and so I think this is just like the perfect color that will go with pretty much everything in my wardrobe. And I don't really have like a fancier, like nicer purse, clutch, anything of the type. So I think this is going to be hugely useful. I've got some weddings later this season, so definitely will be using it for that. So this is from the Glass and Ladder company. And this is this really beautiful pocket. Oh, and this is just like the most useful envelope clutch ever. So in here you've got room for a few cards. There's like room to be able to put a pen or two here. There are just so many like useful slots. You can fit in a notebook here. So this isn't just like you can use this for events type of thing, but I'm not sure I could fit an entire laptop in here, but definitely a tablet could be put in here, notebook, so many different things. There's all kinds of useful little compartments for just being able to carry stuff. One of the reasons I've never actually owned a clutch is because I feel like you can't carry anything in them. But I think this one you totally could. Yeah, that's beautiful. And just like the quality of this too, just feels really nice. Yeah. So item number 1, I'm a huge fan of. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to number 2. Okay, next up we have an insulated tumbler from the brand Reduce. And this is actually perfect timing for me personally because I recently had my tea mug break on me, and so this is going to be the perfect replacement. I love things that are insulated stainless steel. They just keep things hot or cold for such a long time. And I think that this is the perfect drinking lid personally. During the summer, I think this would definitely be the perfect item for iced coffees or iced teas. But I think that during the winter at least, it will definitely be used for me personally as a hot beverage container. But I think also too, if this is something that you already personally have, but you have a friend who is interested in becoming more sustainable, I think something like this would also make a perfect gift. So just a thought that I'm having. Personally, I actually need one of these in my life right now because my old tea mug broke, but I think that this would be a fantastic option for being able to give to someone else who is looking to become more sustainable themselves. Okay, let's look at our next item here. So this right here is a pink clay mask from the brand Clay, and it says it's coconut milk and chamomile, and it's a nourishing clay mask. So personally, I love a good face mask, but the single-use sheet masks definitely are not the most sustainable option and are often full of chemicals you just don't want to be putting on your face. So I absolutely love the idea of this. It's actually packaged in a glass container, which is definitely a more sustainable option. And also you're getting a lot of different uses in just a single container. So I'm super excited to try this out. Like I said, love a good face mask during a movie or TV watching session, and I love the looks of it. Next up, so this is from the brand Lunar Nectar, and I believe this is a Jade facial roller. Yes. So I've been wanting to try one of these out for quite a long time actually, and I absolutely love the concept of this. I definitely can get puffy eyes early in the morning when I first wake up, and Jade rollers are actually supposed to be fantastic for being able to just kind of like roll underneath your eyes, or your cheeks, or anything that's kind of like puffy on your face. Jade has this really cooling touch to it. Like this isn't even refrigerated, and just like rolling it right there, like that feels amazing. But I've heard amazing things about if you put this in your fridge or your freezer, and just as a part of your morning routine, if you just like gently roll it across your skin, it's supposed to be amazing at increasing lymphatic drainage and also reducing puffiness that you have around your face, reducing under eye circles, things like that. So this is something that I've actually been considering trying for quite a long time, and love that this box is actually going to finally give me the chance to do it. On top of the fact that I think it has some useful benefits that I'll actually get a lot of value from, I think that also just like the practice of rolling this across your skin, like it just feels really luxurious. And this is a really gorgeously designed roller too, so super excited to be trying this out, and I think that this is really going to do a lot for my skin in the morning. I'll report back to you guys on that, but super excited about this one. Okay, just a few more items. So this necklace is from the brand Marina Debucci, and I love that they have the mission of fighting human trafficking. I think that it's amazing that products in this box really do have a greater purpose and a mission that they're supporting, and human trafficking is a really important issue. So I love that that's one of the items that they included in this box. And this is such a beautiful, I mean, you guys know how much I love dainty necklaces. But I love this beautiful little moon necklace. I actually used to have a really cheaply made moon necklace that I loved from Forever 21 way back in middle school, I believe. But this is such a beautiful and dainty necklace. I can see being able to wear this in so many different situations and ways. I feel like this is a great everyday necklace, and something that I'm really going to be able to get a ton of use and value from, on top of this brand really going to support an incredible cause. Okay, moving on. So this is an item that I have considered buying for myself many a time. So this is from the brand All True, and before we get into exactly what it is, their mission is to plant a tree for every product purchased, which once again I love. I also love the cardboard packaging, way to go guys. but this is a macrame plant hanger, and I have considered making one of these for myself, buying one, but I just love I mean, you guys know how much I love plants, but I definitely have a few plants that can fit the bill for being able to hang in this guy. And I think that this is going to be the perfect item, maybe for this corner of my room. Oh yeah, I'm super excited about this. I love the design of this specific plant hanger, the little fringe hanging down at the bottom of it. But yeah, this is a really well-made, high-quality piece. And like I said, something that I've thought about and almost purchased many a time, and now I know why I hadn't purchased it. It's because it was waiting for me in this box. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. I already know which plant is going up in this little guy, so yeah, super excited about this one. Okay, and we have 2 products left. Let's start with this one. Okay, so these are 3 beautiful nail polishes from the brand Zoya, and a lot of you guys probably already know this, but your typical nail polish is going to have a lot of really unhealthy and unsafe chemicals in them. And so what Zoya does is they actually remove a lot of the unsafe chemicals and create clean beauty nail polishes that are vegan, as well as being better for you, healthier for you and your skin. And I love the colors in this box. This white looks like this really beautiful, high quality, just really neutral color, and this pink is so me. I definitely want to see what this orangey nude one looks like on me too. I feel like it might be a bit orange for my taste, but I'm gonna have to try to find out. But as you guys have probably noticed, I've been enjoying wearing nail polish a lot more recently, especially since I've found some amazing cleaner brands, and these ones I'm definitely excited to try out as well. It's a fun way of just kind of adding to my self-expression, and for a while I kind of steered away from them because I guess I grew up thinking that nail polish always had to be these outlandish colors, but I think it's really fun to be able to do something that's neutral, that's natural, and something that's going to be better for me, healthier for me as well. And then the final 2 items in this box. First off, we just have this really fun postcard. I guess that's the right way up, and this is designed by Antra Svarks. I'm terrible with pronunciation, but I think this is a really fun summery postcard, and I think that it would be really fun to be able to send this to one of my friends. I have a lot of them who do not live in the city because I've moved around quite a bit of my life, so I think that this might be a fun little way to surprise a friend with a little note. And the final item is someone I'm super excited to try. This is actually a Turkish towel, and I don't actually have a towel for going to the beach or the pool, which has made my life a lot more difficult this summer until now. This Turkish towel is made out of 100% organic cotton, and is also made by a fair trade company, so they're providing living wages to individuals in Turkey. And these are supposed to be incredible, fast drying towels that are really high quality, and I think that this is an absolutely gorgeous color. It's so thin and lightweight, so I feel like if I was going to the beach or to the pool, this just packs into my bag so well. And this is such a fun, like, sand and salmon-y color, very me. I think that this towel could end up being used for a lot more purposes beyond just going to the pool. But this is an absolutely gorgeous piece that honestly I might be including in our living room as one of our throw blankets, because yeah, this is gorgeous. Well guys, there you have it. That is everything I received in my summer welcome box from Causebox. I think this has been a really cool experience and opportunity for me to learn about some amazing ethical and sustainable brands out there that are doing some amazing things in the world, whether that's fighting human trafficking or planting trees or a number of other causes that these brands support. I think that that's really awesome, and like I mentioned before, I love being able to learn about new ethical and sustainable brands that I can personally support, and I think that Causebox is a really amazing way of doing that. So like I mentioned before, if you guys are interested in getting a Causebox of your own, you can get 20% off of your first box with the code Ashlynne20, and that's everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bonus video that I have. I have been doing only one video a week, but wanted to throw this one in there for you guys as a nice little second one for the week. Thank you so much to Causebox for sponsoring this video, and I want to know what was your favorite item that was included in this box. I think I'm super excited to try out the pink clay mask, and also that plant hanger is something that I have been thinking about at the back of my mind for quite a while now. So really excited about both of those, as well as everything else that was included in this box. But let me know what your favorite item was down below. Thank you so much guys for watching though. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.